Complete user setup and profile configuration. In YoCoach, admins can create learner and teacher accounts by adding basic details, while users can complete remaining profile information after login. To create a new account, the admin first needs to log into the admin dashboard. Then click on Manage Users to access and configure user accounts and permissions. Following this, click on Users to access and manage all platform user accounts. Here, the platform already has multiple users registered. To create a new user account, click the Add New button. Now click the Select User Type dropdown to choose a user role option. Now enter the user's email address in the email field to complete registration setup. After that, enter the learner's first name in the first name field. Now, enter the user's last name in the last name field to complete profile information. Afterwards, select the country phone code from the drop-down menu to set contact information. Following this, enter a valid phone number in the phone field to complete user setup. From here, select your country from the drop-down list to complete user setup. Next, click the Select drop-down to choose a time zone for this learner account. Click the Save Changes button to apply all user profile updates. Once the admin creates the account, the user receives an email to set up their login password by clicking the Set Your Password link. By resetting the password, this pop-up appears where the user needs to enter their login details to access their account. After logging in, the user is redirected to the dashboard, where they can manage their account details. Next up, click on Account Settings to manage your profile information. Then, click the Gender dropdown to select your gender preference from available options. From here, click Save to store your updated account profile settings. Following that, click the Addresses option to view and manage your saved addresses. From here, click Add New to create and add a new address to your account. Next, complete your profile details by following the on-screen steps. After updating all the details, click the Save button to store the updated information. Explore powerful admin and user management features with YoCoach-powered platforms.